Hello guys, as always I'm your friend ufoguy here, and today I'm gonna do a video that is very similar to one that I have done in the past. A link is gonna appear somewhere on the screen. Is Rollercoin a scam? Today we're gonna take an in-depth look about that. Is it really a scam? Why some people say it is, one time people say it isn't. It's somewhere in the middle and it's up to you to choose if you really want to use it, because you might waste a lot of time, but you might also enjoy it a lot. I personally am using Rollercoin from 5+ months. I'm very satisfied and I'm gonna keep on doing that. But there is a but. Here is the first but. On foxyrating.com, the site is deemed to be a scam. This site is usually a place where most people go to check out if a certain site is a scam or is it not. But again, it is based on people's opinion. So we see that we have 45 opinions. It's deemed a scam. Why is it deemed a scam? They say it's a Ponzi scheme because the investment is Ponzi, so why doubting? Because you can win Satoshi without investing. No investment is required to participate. With your earnings you can invest, but currently the return of investment is more than 4 years. That is entirely true. If you invest money in Rollercoin for miners or whatever you wanna invest, your return of investment is 4 years at least, if you do the math. You can also, if you do everything on discounts, if you did join the token pre-sale, the return of investment is approximately 1.5 to 2 years, but that's another story. So if you do invest right now and if you're super impatient and don't believe that this project will still remain after 4 years, yes, it is a scam. It is indeed a Ponzi scheme. But what are the comments in here? I got a payment, $3.4, $6.3, $1.75, and so on and so on. And everyone is saying that they got paid. I personally got paid absolutely every single time. All of the people in my comment section on my YouTube channel also got paid, except for one person who gave his wallet address, wrong wallet address. So are you gonna get paid if you use Rollercoin? Yes, you are gonna get paid. But again, as always, in every single video I say that if you're gonna invest money, invest wisely. Invest in small amounts, invest only when there are discounts. Next, what can we say about the traffic of Rollercoin? Usually scam sites, phishing sites and whatever use a lot of advertisement. What the statistics say about Rollercoin? Direct clicks are almost 50% and referrals are almost 50%. Referrals, as you're gonna see later on, are mostly from sites like CoinTipWhy, where people advertise their referral links, which means Rollercoin is not paying for advertisement. Okay, my trial for similar web has expired, but somewhere down in the section it showed that Rollercoin actually paid for only 7% of the advertisement of the site. The site is currently ranked in Venezuela. I'm not sure if it is situated there or the most traffic comes from there, but 258 place and 9,000 place in the world for most clicked site right now. They are getting quite a huge traffic, and just 7% of that is from advertisement, which makes me think that it is not a scam in this way. Okay, now let's get back to Rollercoin website once more. People often ask me, if it's not a scam, how do they make money to pay you out? Let's begin with the Rollercoin token. It is a token. Every single token eventually will go on mainnet. Then they will start making some money. But how did they make money in the first place? It's called initial token sale. Every cryptocurrency, every token has it. They had an initial token sale 2 years ago. I think it was 2 years ago. If we go to what is RLT, you're gonna see everything explained here, including what the future updates are gonna be. So if you're interested to see what actually the game will hold in future, you should probably click on that. Maybe I'm gonna make a separate video about it, but anyway, click on top contributors. And you're gonna see the top contributors on the initial token sale. The token sale was including 1 million RLT. This doesn't mean 1 million RLT was sold, but this is the amount that was included just in the initial token sale. After that, everyone who wants to buy will buy at higher price, but I think the cap is 10 million. I'm not sure, I should check that out before I say it, but it's a lot of tokens and each token holds a value. And that value, as you can see on the first page of the top 100 people that have bought it, means that they have bought approximately 150-200,000 RLT, which if we convert in Bitcoin, let's just pretend that we're gonna buy 50,000, just 50,000 RLT. 50,000 is equal to 1 Bitcoin. You probably are aware of the current Bitcoin price, so I'm not gonna get deep into that. The amount of RLT that has been sold so far is hundreds of thousands to everyone, not only the initial sale, which means they made quite a lot of cash, which they use to pay us. Also, ads. If you go to play a certain game, on the sidebars, ads appear. Currently mine look very ugly. If you click this ad, these I'm not 100% sure if they are Google AdSense ads or they are paid from a certain advertiser. But both ways, if you click on one of these ads, they are gonna get most likely somewhere between 1 cent and $1. It totally depends on so many stuff. So let's say it's gonna be an average of 10 cents. We cannot know for sure, but it's gonna be an average of 10 cents. How many ads have you clicked so far? I know for myself that I personally click 1 ad a day purposefully and probably 2 or 3 ads a day just by mistake. Which means that I'm probably making out for what they are gonna pay me for that day just by clicking those ads. And I'm pretty sure that most of the people accidentally have clicked a few ads. Even on my blog I had an ad that paid me €1 when someone clicked it. So we cannot know for sure how much money are they getting from ads. With this all said, is it a scam? I will let you decide. You will get paid for sure. But is it worth your time? Always that is the question that you should ask yourself. My advice, as always, not wanted, but I'm gonna say it. If you live in USA, if you have a full-time job anywhere in the world, Rollercoin is not worth your time if you're gonna go into investing money in it. Just enjoy the games, you're not gonna win a lot of money. I have been asked so many times, do you invest anything in Rollercoin? I have not invested absolutely anything. All of my earnings are from playing games and having my referrals, but I did reinvest 20,000 Satoshis, which is not a very big investment, and probably I'm gonna get it back in 4 years or maybe 2.5 because I invested smart. But again, my advice is to invest in stocks, investing something that you will actually gain something from it. With this said, I hope you did enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please tell me what do you want to see next in my videos. I have one more idea for Rollercoin video, and then I'm gonna make a video for most likely the most stupid phone applications that actually pay you in cryptocurrencies.